going by the tree or the browser, or you can go through the file and continue and select your presentation, or you can go to this create presentation, click on that and select standard IPN, which is the default. Click on OK. So it will start loading. Once it loads, it will now drop that part that you want to create your presentation file with. So I'll go to this front. I will change it and set it as front. Go to this part, set it as to view. Now going by creating drawing view, or if you want to tweak the components, you start select this and drag it out. Alright, select this and drag it out. Select this and drag it out. Select this and drag it out. Select this, hold on shift, select that, select this, hold on control, select that, select this, up, go on twerk, select this, out, select this, out. Alright, so checking what you have done so far, let's see, play current storyboard. So that's what happens. So now to create the drawing file, create the drawing view, click on that. So you must save this, say okay, and say presentation enter. Alright, So let's choose standard DWG. Okay. So loading that. Okay. It will appear like this. So what I will do, let me increase the sheet, edit sheet. Let's select C, select B. Okay, so let's go to base and place again. Increase the view. Let's increase to 1:1 is much, 1:2. Okay, it's preferable this way. Click on OK. Okay, all right. Let's edit that, select and go to that. All right, so I cannot drag and place it wherever I want. If I want to still add the let's add the assemble, the bracket assemble file. So I can now choose that. I can place it here. Okay, choose that, and you can still edit, increase the dimension. All right, so next is to now go to the annotate, and go to annotate and select part listing. Once you select the part listing, select so after selecting that, press OK, and drag, and let me place it here. All right, so I can now drag this one up, shift it, and okay, so I can now edit the, go to manage style editor, style editor, to go to text notes text, and let's change the color of that style editor and increase the text height to this. Alright, save and continue. It will run that on its own, and come to that same annotate and go to balloon, go to, let's say, automatic. Once you select that automatic, Click on this, select ignore, highlight, and horizontal. Let's say vertical is okay, and place it here, place, alright, and click on OK. So it will now run it on its own vertically. So I can now start rearranging if I want to arrange. So click on that, and I want it to be here. Click on this, I want it to be here. Click on this, I want it to be here. Alright, so let's these ones are okay. I love it as it is here. So that's it to edit my title block. So click on that, click on this and go to iProperties. Once you go to iPro, go to summary and type the title. The title is let's say brackets brackets bracket parts presentation machine design so auto better Roberts engineering. You can add comments if you want. You can go to project and do all the rest of them. Designer Noble, engineer Stanley, so I can now choose the dates of every other thing and click on OK and apply. So that's it. I can now extract as PDF file, PDF bracket assembly presentation, and save it here. So if I come there and click, so here it is. well designed, well assembled, the presentation well explained, and all the parts are well listed, everything well listed. So guys, hit on the subscription button and let's learn more, let's acquire knowledge. So no knowledge is a waste. So that's the part, that's everything. All right.